Now, how Clear actually works is it's a private company that uses identity verification, such as your thumb or using your eyes to actually scan them, which is basically called a biometric verification. So you don't have to use your ID when using Clear when you're actually confirming your identity or going through the security checkpoint at the airport. Now, how it actually works is you actually need to sign up online, just enroll online, and then you need to finalize at a Clear location where you can actually get your eyes scanned as well as put your fingerprint just on the scanner to actually get it in the system. So your first time at the airport after signing up for Clear will take significantly longer, not a lot longer, but just a few minutes longer than it normally would to get through the Clear checkpoint. And once you're actually enrolled, you can always go through the Clear line. Again, like I said, the first time that you're actually stepping in one of those lines, it will take longer just because you have to scan your eyes or thumb to make sure it's valid, so you don't have to use your ID when going through these lines in the future. And once you've actually scanned your thumb or eyes on the Clear machines at the airport, getting in your own separate Clear line, what you're actually going to need to do is there will be someone there that will walk you to one of the TSA pre-check lines where you can actually just be placed in that line, show them your ticket, you can just walk right past them, they'll tell them that you were in Clear, and you can basically go through it like a normal security checkpoint, except you don't have to show them anything going through that line. And of course, you can always bring laptops, wear a belt, wear wristbands, necklaces, and things like that, so you don't actually have to take off your shoes as well. So it's pretty similar when it comes to TSA pre-check, but it's definitely a level up when it comes to the basic security. You can leave your laptop in your bag and all that other stuff. And then Clear, on the other hand, because it is a private company, it is significantly more. It costs $189 per year and $112 to actually add another guest. So if I had like a child or something, you could add them, but it also costs $112 yearly on top of that. So Clear is almost 10 times more expensive than TSA pre-check, which is a lot. But if you are part of airline loyalty programs, you can get a discount, like a 50% discount on the yearly Clear subscription, which is still significantly more. Or even if you're a member of certain airline clubs or credit cards, you can get Clear completely free, such as Amex Platinum, Green, or Credit Union. And sometimes they do offer free trials, so if you are going on like a traveling spree, you might as well sign up for Clear. Now, when it comes to the final thoughts on which one you should actually choose, TSA pre-check or Clear, if you are a casual traveler, you should definitely go with TSA pre-check just because it is cheap. It's $78 for 5 years. It lasts a long time and you get through the line significantly cheaper. Even if you are just flying 1 to 2 times per year across 5 years, I still definitely think it is worth it. And if you are a very frequent traveler, you should definitely go for both, or consider getting both at least. I don't know about Clear as much as TSA pre-check when it comes to the ones that you should actually like literally hands down get, but doing so will allow the shortest wait possible if you ever do get in a rut. But if you are getting to the airport extremely early, you might just want to go for TSA pre-check just because you can breeze through the airport. The line's always shorter than the actual security line, and you don't have to pay $189 per year for Clear. So yeah, win-win. So personally, I think Clear is a scam altogether, and you should always go for TSA pre-check. Pre-check is 1000% hands down worth it, like every single time. But Clear for the price, unless you're like just trying to throw away money, personally I don't think it's worth it unless you don't fly much and attend like big events with stadiums that might have Clear. I would look that up and look up which stadiums actually include Clear before you actually invest in it. But yeah, overall I think TSA pre-check is 1000% worth it, and hands down you should get it right now. Like, it will take 10 minutes to sign up for, and then you have that in-person remote meeting, and then you can basically breeze through the airport every time. So yeah, that's my final verdict. If you found this helpful, please leave a like on this video, and happy traveling.